Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Meta AI on Facebook. So let's get started. So when you launch your Messenger app, the Meta AI should be present down here. However, as you can see, it's not present for me because I do not have the beta version of Facebook and Messenger installed. But anyway, let's move on to the first step. So head over to your home screen. Now look for Facebook. Long press on it. Click this button. And hit uninstall. So once you've uninstalled Facebook, head over to your browser. Now search up Facebook APK. Then click on this website called Up to Down. Now, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to install an older version of Facebook. So just click on older versions and you'll be redirected to all versions of Facebook. Now, as you can see here, the latest version was published on June 20, 2024. Now just pick from any of the older versions below. For example, I'm going to pick this one that was published on June 5. Now scroll down and hit download. And all you have to do now is wait for it to finish downloading. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and install it, then launch it right after. Then log in, and after that, when you head back to your Messenger, the Meta AI feature should be gone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.